Hi, my name is Allen Hancock, and I'm a lawyer with the law firm of Willig, Williams, and Davidson. And today, I'm going to walk you in a few short minutes through the process of applying for a mail-in ballot for the upcoming Pennsylvania primary. Luckily in Pennsylvania, voters may vote by mail for any reason whatsoever. And in fact, in order to do so, you only need to make sure that two requirements are met. One, that you're already registered to vote, and two, that you have a valid driver's license ID number or a PIN dot number. In order to determine if you are actually registered or currently registered to vote, all you need to do is visit the website www.votespa.com. And you'll notice at the bottom of the web page or the landing page is a question mark with check your registration status. If you click on that link, you'll be able to find out if you're registered in two ways. One, by your name, or by your driver's license number or PIN.ID number. Assuming that you are not currently registered to vote, it's not a problem. All you have to do is hit the back arrow and click on the button Registered to Vote. Luckily, Pennsylvania makes it relatively easier to register to vote, and all you need to do is fill out the prompted screens. But assuming that you are already registered to vote, you just visit the website of www.votespa.com, and you'll notice on the landing page says Apply Online Now, Mail-in and Absentee Ballot Applications. To start the process, hit Apply Now. That will bring you to a prompt screen called the Ballot Request Application. And this website will prompt you to answer several different questions before you could submit your request online. First, you have to confirm that you're not a robot to begin your application. So click on I'm not a robot and begin your application. The first prompt will ask you whether you're a military member or an overseas civilian absentee voter. I'm not, and most of you will not be either, so you can press no. The next two questions are going to ask you whether you're going to be physically present for the upcoming municipal election or whether you have an illness or a physical disability, and that's the reason why you're requesting a mail-in ballot. Both of those are no for me, so I'm going to press no. Remember, in Pennsylvania, any voter may vote by mail, regardless of the reason. So you can both press no too if those don't apply for you. Then you can hit continue to go to the next prompt. Now, as you can see on the left side of the information, the website's going to ask you for various information. The first page, they're going to ask for your first name, last name, and your date of birth. And you'll notice that the requested or required information is highlighted in red. So go ahead and fill that information out. Once you have filled out that information, you can hit the continue button to be prompted to the next stage, which is your identification information. And that is where you need your Pennsylvania driver's license and PIN.ID number. So once you have that, you enter that information. And once you've entered your information, you can hit the continue button that will prompt you to the next screen. The next screen is you're requesting your information with regard to your current address. Again, the required information is highlighted in red. So go ahead and enter your county of residence, your current address, your city, your state, your zip code, as well as how long you've lived in this address. Also, it's going to ask you whether you want this ballot mailed to your address above or somewhere else. So once you've filled out that prompt, you can again hit continue to go to the next stage. The next stage is the review of your information that you've already submitted. So review this page very carefully. Make sure that your name's correct, it has your correct address, county, and your Pennsylvania driver's license. Once you're satisfied and all of that information is correct, again, hit the submit button to be prompted to the next screen. The next screen is your declaration page. Read above here that you're eligible to vote, and assuming that you are and meet all those requirements, click on I confirm that I have read and agree to the terms above, and again, hit continue to move to the next screen. Once you've hit the next screen, you've already submitted your application. And you can see your application number can be found here, and your application was submitted on the date and time can be found here. If you would like confirmation of this process sent to you directly, All you have to do is enter your email address down here and hit submit. Once you've done that, you've gone through that process. And I encourage everybody in Pennsylvania to request your mail-in ballot as soon as possible. As you can see, it's a pretty quick and easy process. However, if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to me directly at rhancock@wwdlaw.com. Of course, if you want to know about any of our other services on behalf of working people, please visit our website at wwdlaw.com. Thank you.